confidence, this video will help you practice speaking in English. But that's not all. You can also use this video to improve your fluency and confidence step by step. And at the end, we will learn from the inspiring success story of Narendra Modi, which shows how anyone can become confident in English with dedicated and practice. In a small town of Gujarat, a young boy helped his father at tea stall. That was on Narendra Modi. Nobody knew that one day this tea seller would become the Prime Minister of India. This is not just a story, this is a lesson for every dreamer. Narendra Modi was born in 1950 in Nagar, Gujarat. His family was poor, but they were honest and hardworking. Little Modi helped his father sell tea at the railway station. Poverty was everywhere, but he never complained. Instead, he learned one important lesson: life is not about comfort, life is about courage. He studied under a street light, worked hard, and dreamed big. From childhood, Modi was different. He loved discipline, he loved service, and he loved his country. He joined the RSS at a young age and learned value of honesty, patriotism, and leadership. His simple lifestyle and strong will power made him stronger each day. Remember, this discipline is the foundation of every success story. Step by step, Modi entered politics. He worked hard, traveled across villages, and connected with common people. In 2001, he became the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He brought development, technology, and hope to the state. People trusted him because he lived a simple life and thought for the poor. He faced many challenges, but he never gave up. He turned criticism into energy and struggle into strength. In 2014, history was made. The son of tea seller became the Prime Minister of India. It was not just his victory, it was the victory of dreams, hard work, and determination. Today, Narendra Modi is not only a leader of India but also a respected voice in the world. From railway station to world stage, his journey is truly inspiring. What can we learn from Modi's story? 1. Dream big even if you are small. 2. Discipline is more powerful than comfort. 3. Criticism should be your motivation. 4. Serve your people, not only yourself. 5. Never stop believing in your dreams. Narendra Modi's life proves one thing: your past does not define your future. Your courage, your discipline, and your hard work define your future. So never give up. If tea seller can become the Prime Minister of India, then you too can achieve the impossible. Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you. If you learned something new, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.